Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change a shower or bath handle. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps for changing a shower and bath handle. Let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is a perfect example of what would be considered as a standard shower and bath handle. Now sometimes they look differently, sometimes they have like a lever as opposed to a knob style, but it's going to be very similar. Essentially, you want to find either the screw head or the Allen key head. You want to find basically the fastener that's holding it in place. Now, with some of the levers, you're just going to be able to just look and find it. But if you have a knob like this, what you have to do is use a flathead screwdriver, okay? And you got to sort of pop off the cap. Now, it's going to be difficult and you don't want to damage it, but you want to get that flathead screwdriver and pop it off. There's usually going to be a little notch somewhere that's going to allow you to pop it off. So I've already actually just loosened this one up. And as you can see, you just remove the cap like that. I'm going to place it there to the side. Now, as you can see right over here, there is actually a screw head that we are going to unscrew. So I'm going to place the camera down like this. And basically, you're going to be getting a screwdriver just like this. And you're going to unscrew it just like that. And you want to hold on to the knob as you're unscrewing it. Okay? And as you can see right here, the screw will come out probably fairly easily. Okay? And then once the screw has been pulled out, removed, you can actually take the knob and remove it. And as you can see right over here, I have the knob right here, the handle. And if you take a look right there, that's what it looks like inside, okay? And then at this point, you can actually take the new shower or bath handle and you can replace it. And to do that, you're gonna literally just take, once again, you're just gonna take the new one. You're going to place it on there, just like that. And it only goes on one way. That's the beauty of it. There's usually like a shape on it. I can't put it on like this. It won't go on like this. It only goes on one way because it's going to be aligned a certain way for the temperature. And you're going to take your screw. It's going to usually go right through there, and then it's going to grab onto the back. You're going to tighten it up, just like that. Okay? Hold the shower and bath handle as you tighten that screw. Okay? Because if you don't do that, you're going to end up turning the handle, which might even turn on the faucet, depending on the style that you have. And then you're going to take your cap, okay? And you're going to just place it. Like I said, most caps will only go on one way because they're usually going to be labeled with like a hot and a cold. So you're going to take your cap and just pop it back in place. And that's it. If you want to test it out, obviously, just turn it on. As you can see, this is actually at my parents' house, and there's like ridiculous water pressure. If you hear that, it sounds like a storm. Like unbelievable water pressure. That's what 3/4 inch pipe will get you in a house, at least if you live in Toronto. All right. When my dad built the house, he decided to go 3/4 inch, which was great actually. I mean, it's just unbelievable amount of pressure if your neighborhood allows for it. But that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to replace a shower and bath handle. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.